Good morning. How are you all, baby? How are you? Yes, I hope that everyone is fine. Okay, baby. How was the weekend? Have you all enjoyed the weekend? You were very happy in Saturday and Sunday? Yes. Okay, baby. Next, you stay safe at home. You eat healthy food. Drink plenty of water. Okay, baby? Have you all talked in English at home? Last week, ma'am, I told you no. So only you should convey in English. Have you spoke with your mother? Have you all spoken with your mother? Good, very good. So hereafter also everyone you should talk in English with your parents. Okay, baby? Have you all understood? Yes. Today I'm going to tell you about health and hygiene. What is hygiene? What is hygiene, baby? What is hygiene? Hygiene means we should be neat and clean. Hygiene means we should be neat and clean. How we have to keep ourselves clean? But how we are going to do that? How we have to keep ourselves clean, baby? How we have to keep ourselves clean? We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Okay, baby? Okay, you all are brushing your teeth twice a day? Or you all brushing your teeth twice a day? Yes or no? Yes? Yes, very good, super. For brushing, what we need, baby? How to brush our teeth? How to brush our teeth? Yes, see here. First, we need to take brush and you have to put paste on the. See here, we need to put paste on the brush. You have to take very little. You don't take full. Okay, baby. See here. You have to take very little. Okay, baby. Then, how to brush our teeth? How to brush our teeth, baby? How to brush our teeth? Okay, let me sing one poem for this. Okay, kids? Let's sing a song. Come on. Stand up, everybody. Come on. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning and at night. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Morning and at night. Gently brush them up and down. Sparkling teeth so white. Gently brush them up and down, sparkling teeth so white. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, morning and at night. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, morning and at night. Gently brush them up and down, sparkling teeth so white. Gently brush them up and down, sparkling teeth so white. Very good. Super, kids. Fantastic. Okay. How to brush your teeth? You have to brush your teeth up and down. How to brush your teeth? Up and down. Then in and out. In and out. Very good. Super. Then at what time you have to brush your teeth? At what time you have to brush your teeth? Early in the morning and before go to bed. Early in the morning and before go to bed. Okay, baby. Why should we have to brush our teeth? Why should we have to brush our teeth? Why? Anyone, can you say the answer? Why we have to brush our teeth? Why, baby? To keep the germs away. To keep the germs away. Come, children, I show the germs. Why should we have to brush our teeth? Children, do you know why should we have to brush our teeth? To keep the germs away. Do you know how is the germs? Do you know? Do you know how it's the germs? Yes, see here. This is only germs. This is only germs. Everybody look at here. This is only germs. If we do not brush your teeth properly, these gems will be in our teeth. These gems only in our teeth. See here, baby. How is the gems? See, if you do not brush your teeth properly, these gems only in our teeth. See here, this is only gems. See here, this is only gems. If we do not brush your teeth, these gems will be in our teeth. If we brush your teeth well, the gems will be gone away. The gems will be gone away. If we do not brush your teeth well, if we do not brush your teeth properly, then there will be a cavity in our teeth. See here, everybody. If we do not brush your teeth properly, then there will be a cavity in our teeth. See here, everybody. This is only cavity. Okay, baby? Have you understood? Have you understood or not? Yes, very good. See here. Now I am going to tell you about one story on this. Let's see the story, baby. Are you all happy? Are you all happy? So story means everybody will be happy. Am I right? Yes. Come on. Let's. Once upon a time, there was a girl named was Pinky. Okay, kids. Everybody say hi to Pinky. Everybody say hi to Pinky. Say hi. Yes. One day, Pinky was very sad because nobody used to talk with her in her class. One day, she was crying and she told her mother that, Mama, nobody used to talk with me, Mama, in my class. Then her mama said that if you are not brushing your teeth properly, then no one should talk in your classroom. So you have to brush your teeth every day. Then the Pinky promised her mother that, Mama, I will brush my teeth every day. Okay, kids, like her Pinky, everybody, will you brush your teeth properly or not? Will you brush your teeth regularly? Yes, very good. Super, baby. See here, at once you get up from the bed, morning, first everybody, you have to brush your teeth properly. Okay, kids? How to brush your teeth? Ma'am, I taught you in the classroom, how to brush your teeth. You have to brush your teeth up and down, in and out. How to brush your teeth? Up and down and in and out. Okay, kids? You have to take more paste. You have to take more paste. How much toothpaste I told to take you? Very little. Okay, baby? You cannot take more paste. See here? See here? You have to take very little paste. See here? See here? You have to take very little paste. You cannot take more paste. Okay, kids? Can you understood? So, at what time you have to brush your teeth? At what time you have to take brush? Early in the morning and before go to bed. Okay, kids? At what time you have to brush? Early in the morning and before go to bed. So, if you brush your teeth properly, we can keep the germs away. If we do not brush our teeth, then there will be a cavity in our teeth. Okay, kids? So, I ask your mommy, see, today onwards, everybody have to brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, kids? How many times you have to brush your teeth? Twice a day. Very good. Super. How was the class, baby, today? How was the class? Is it nice? Yes, I hope you all enjoying this class. So today your activity is you have to take your favorite puppet. Okay, baby? Ma'am, how I acted with this puppet? Do you know or not? Yes. You take your brush and paste. You have to brush it your favorite puppet, and you also have to take brush well. Okay, that photo snaps only, you take it and you send it into WhatsApp. Okay baby, have you understood or not? That is your activity. Okay, brushing activity only, that's your activity today. Okay baby, you have to take your favorite puppet. First you make it to brush your teeth well. Then again you have to brush it well. Okay baby, then brushing action. So real brushing only, you have to take photo and send it into WhatsApp. Okay baby, that is your activity today. Okay baby, come on. Today next let's move on to language class. Okay kids, bye.
Fake. So wet your toothbrush and get your toothpaste. Put on a dab about the size of a pea.
Now get your toothbrush ready and follow me. Okay, we have 2 minutes. Get ready.
Let's make some circles, 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 circles. Circles on all sides of your teeth. Circles on this side, circles on that. Circles on the tops where you chew on snacks. Gotta get rid of all that black. There are germs living in your mouth,
Gotta get 'em out.
and that's why we brush our teeth. Come on, brush those teeth. Go on, scrub them clean. Come on, make those pearly whites shine.
Okay, we're halfway there. A little bit longer. Let's make some more
Circles, 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 circles. Circles on all sides of your teeth. Brushing makes your breath smell super nice. Gotta make you smile as white as rice. So I love brushing my teeth. Oh, don't forget to brush your gums.
And don't forget your tongue.
Now we are almost done.
Let's go front, back, side to side. Front, back, and side to side. Front, back, side to side. Front, back, and side to side.
Come on, brush those teeth. Go on, scrub them clean. Come on, make those pearly whites shine. Come on, brush those teeth. Go on, scrub them clean. Come on, make those pearly whites shine. Oh, I love brushing my teeth.
That was so much fun brushing our teeth together. Well, since you brush your teeth once in the morning and once again at night, I'm sure I'll see you soon. If you want to brush